How to check app usage on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Go to see all app and website activity as shown. You can choose to see the screen time for the week or even for the day from the above options. In the day option, you can view all your used apps for the day and their screen time. Tap on any app from here. For example, Chrome. You can check the daily average for this app over here. Following these steps, you can easily check app usage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.